back. Ready to supercharge your document management? Today we're connecting Google Drive to RecordsKeeper.AI and watching AI transform your file chaos into organized intelligence. Okay, here's how simple it is. Log into your RecordsKeeper.AI dashboard, navigate to Sources and Sync. The name says it all. Click Link Cloud Storage and select Google Drive. Give your storage connection a memorable name. I'll call mine Workspace. Click Connect Now, choose your Google account, and grant permissions. RecordsKeeper.AI needs access to organize your documents intelligently. Watch this. The system automatically syncs with your drive, fetching every document. Our AI processes each file in real time, creating perfect hierarchical structures. No manual sorting required. See, this tax receipt is automatically categorized with all key information extracted, company details, amounts, dates. That's AI-powered automation at work. Toggle sync on or off anytime. Monitor progress in real time. Your Google Drive is now your intelligent document command center. Ready to automate your records? Try now and transform document chaos into business intelligence. Join RecordsKeeper.AI today.